If your small jade plant could grow into a giant indoor tree taller than your furniture, most people think jade plants stay short and compact forever. But the truth is, with the right care, a jade plant can grow thick trunks, strong branches, and reach incredible heights indoors. Some mature jade plants become stunning mini-trees that look decades old and instantly transform a room. The secret isn't luck. It's understanding exactly what jade plants need to grow upward instead of staying small and weak. In this video, you'll discover the best ways to grow the tallest jade plant possible, from lighting tricks and watering methods to pruning secrets that encourage explosive vertical growth. If you want your jade plant to become bigger, taller, healthier, and more impressive than ever, keep watching because these tips can completely change how your plant grows. 1. Give your jade plant maximum bright light. The number one reason jade plants stay small is lack of light. Jade plants are sun-loving succulents. In their natural environment, they grow under intense sunlight for many hours every day. Indoors, weak lighting causes thin stems, slow growth, and stretched leaves. If you want your jade plant to grow tall and strong, place it near the brightest window in your home. South-facing windows are usually the best because they provide the strongest sunlight throughout the day. A healthy jade plant needs at least 4 to 6 hours of bright direct light daily. Morning sunlight is especially beneficial because it's powerful without being too harsh. You'll notice the difference quickly. With enough light, the stems become thicker, leaves grow tighter together, and new growth appears much faster. If your home lacks natural light, use a grow light. LED grow lights can dramatically improve growth speed during darker months. Rotate your jade plant every week so all sides receive equal light. This prevents leaning and helps the trunk grow straight and balanced. Remember, tall jade plants are built with light. Without strong light, your plant will never reach its full height potential. Number 2. Use the right pot to encourage bigger growth. Pot size plays a huge role in how tall your jade plant can grow. Many people keep jade plants in tiny containers for years, which limits root expansion and slows growth dramatically. To grow a taller jade plant, the roots need room to spread and stabilize the plant as it gains height. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than the root ball, not excessively huge, but enough to encourage healthy root development. Terracotta pots are excellent because they allow airflow and prevent excess moisture buildup. Drainage holes are absolutely essential. Jade plants hate sitting in wet soil, and root rot can stop growth completely. Use a fast-draining succulent soil mix. A combination of cactus soil, perlite, and coarse sand works extremely well. Healthy roots create strong upper growth. When the roots thrive, the trunk thickens faster and branches become stronger enough to support greater height. As your jade plant grows, repot it every 2 to 3 years into a slightly larger container. Each upgrade gives the roots more space and encourages new growth above the soil. Creates a cramped plant. A healthy root system creates a tall, powerful jade tree. Number 3. Water deeply, but only when the soil dries. Overwatering is one of the fastest ways to stunt a jade plant's growth. Many people think frequent watering helps plants grow faster. For jade plants, the opposite is true. Jade plants store water inside their thick leaves and stems. They prefer deep, infrequent watering rather than constant moisture. Before watering, always check the soil first. The top few inches should feel completely dry. When it's time to water, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. Then allow the soil to dry again before the next watering. This cycle encourages stronger roots and healthier upward growth. Overwatered jade plants often develop soft stems, yellow leaves, weak branches, and slow growth. Root rot can eventually kill the entire plant. During winter, jade plants naturally grow slower, so reduce watering even more. Proper watering creates stress in the right way. It forces the plant to develop stronger roots and thicker stems, which are essential for supporting greater height. Healthy watering habits can mean the difference between a weak small plant and a towering indoor jade tree. Number 4. Prune strategically to create taller growth. Pruning may sound backward, but it's one of the best ways to grow a taller jade plant. Without pruning, many jade plants become messy, heavy, and unstable. Strategic trimming helps redirect energy into stronger upward growth. The best time to prune is during the active growing season in spring or early summer. Trim weak, leggy, or overcrowded branches. This improves airflow and allows more sunlight to reach the plant. Focus on encouraging a tree-like structure with one strong main trunk. Removing low or weak side branches helps the plant concentrate energy upward. Each pruning cut encourages branching. Over time, this creates a thicker, stronger structure capable of supporting more height. Always use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to prevent disease. Don't over-prune all at once. Small shaping sessions are safer and allow the plant to recover quickly. Pruning also helps prevent branches from becoming too heavy and snapping under their own weight. Think of pruning as training your jade plant to grow smarter, not just bigger. Number 5. Feed your jade plant for faster vertical growth. Tall plants need energy. Even though jade plants are low maintenance, they still benefit from nutrients during the growing season. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once every 4 to 6 weeks during spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can cause weak, stretched growth that becomes unstable. Look for fertilizers designed for succulents or houseplants with balanced nutrients. Nitrogen supports leafy growth, phosphorus supports roots, and potassium strengthens stems and overall plant health. When combined with strong light and proper watering, feeding can significantly speed up growth. You may notice faster leaf production, thicker stems, and quicker branch development within weeks. Never fertilize a stressed or overwatered plant. Healthy roots are necessary before adding nutrients. Fertilizer acts like fuel for growth. Used correctly, it helps your jade plant climb to impressive new heights. Number 6. Create the perfect warm growing environment. Jade plants love warmth. Cold temperatures can slow growth dramatically and even damage leaves. For the tallest possible jade plant, maintain indoor temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Celsius, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep your plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners, and freezing windows during winter. Warm conditions encourage steady growth and healthy leaf production. Humidity usually isn't a major issue because jade plants prefer relatively dry air. In fact, excessive humidity can increase the risk of fungal problems. Good airflow is important. Stale air can weaken plants and encourage pests. If possible, move your jade plant outdoors during warm months. Outdoor sunlight and airflow can trigger explosive growth. Just introduce outdoor light gradually to avoid sunburn. Nature designed jade plants for bright, warm conditions. Recreating that environment indoors is one of the fastest ways to grow a giant, healthy plant. Growing the tallest jade plant isn't about one magic trick. It's about combining the right habits consistently. Strong sunlight, proper watering, healthy roots, smart pruning, balanced feeding, and warm conditions all work together to create massive growth over time. And the best part? Jade plants can live for decades. That means every month of proper care helps build a larger, thicker, more impressive indoor tree for years to come. Start applying these tips today, and your small jade plant could eventually become one of the most stunning plants in your entire home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your jade plant progress in the comments below. Your future giant jade tree starts growing right now.